Hi guys, today we have this Ryobi drill and we are going to repair it. It's R18PD3 model. It's basically a hammer drill and it comes in 18 volt and, today we will check what's the problem in that drill. So we have this 1 plus battery and it is moving but not properly. And it's also smoking. I can smell the smoke coming out from it. And no. And it's smelling very bad. I can feel it smell. So let's open it. God, it's damn hot. I think there is a problem with this. Its motor. You have to see is it working fine or not. It's very hot to touch. I think motor is heated up. If you see closely, if you can see, you can see the burn marks inside the motor, and this whole winding is burned up. You can see that. No, you can see that winding is burned. Look at it. There are burn sign inside the motor. That way it was not working properly, and also it was showing it's also hard to touch. It just started, or it just done for about half a minute or 20 or 30 seconds, and it's heated up. So this proves that this motor is not fine. This is not working fine. So we will have to replace the similar motor inside the drill. For this purpose, I have a spare motor, and let's find out how can we repair it. Here I have another motor pulled out from a similar drill. So this is a genuine motor pulled out from another drill of the same kind. So we will try to replace that motor in that drill. Okay. Now it is working proper fine. Only the hammer is also working. Driver mode. Now drill is totally okay. We have repaired this drill. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.